Hello everyone, I am Kaif Ali, architecture student from Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, India. And I have developed a COVID-19 shelter called Space Era, a standard space for this pandemic era and beyond. My project has won several national and international awards and competition. We have won 1 in a Million award from Multiplying Good, New York, USA. The project is appreciated by Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Sir, HRD Minister of India, HRD Ministry, and my project is also invited to Yukti Panel, HRD Innovation Cell. It has also won International Creativity Competition by Telkom University, Indonesia. The project has won Best Design category in Prep Lab, California, USA. It has won DSource Corona Challenge from IIT Bombay. It has also won Ethos India competition. It is also published in Times of India and several other media publications. I have initiated this project in March 2020 because I have observed one thing. If a person quarantining at home, there is a high probability that he would infect his family members. Likewise, if a person quarantining at mass shelters, he would get infected because these places are very contagious. Thus, there is a need to create an intermediate space for all the COVID-19 patients in this pandemic. So the whole vision of Space Era is comprising of 6 layers of social distancing in quarantine shelter units. This project is made up of corrugated sheets or puff panels. This project has several advantages, and particularly pandemic situation advantages, like it requires less manpower and can be easily customized and multiple usage. So the quarantine shelter or isolation units can also be scaled up according to the requirement. One container of 2.5 meter by 6 meter dimension can be used in variety of purpose. It can be used to make quarantine shelters, hospital incremental units, portable toilet units, and portable testing clinics. This project is sustainable, as after COVID-19 pandemic, this can be used to make flood relief camps, army base camps, food and night shelters, and this is extremely suitable for refugee shelters. I knew that my Space Era project has a high potential in poor countries, African countries, and developing countries. So I shared my work to African organizations as well. I would like to thank Olawale Fulani Sir, Nigeria, for understanding the potential of my vision. I am working under Urban Primal Limited. We are making a 200-bedded COVID-19 center. It is likely to get completed in October 2020 in Lagos, Nigeria. To thank Vice Chancellor of Jamia Millia Islamia, Srimati Najma Akhtar ma'am, and Dean of Faculty of Architecture Acoustics, Professor Hina Zia ma'am, and Professor Mansi Bedi ma'am. Thank you. This is my appeal to UN bodies like UNSCR, UNDP, UN Habitat. This project is very important for poor countries, developing countries, and refugee area camps. My message to the youth of India that we all have imagined something for the betterment of our society from our respective fields. We just have to initiate. We all have the potential to inspire. We youth are the future of India, and we have the potential to inspire the nation.